Okay.
I guarantee that these can't be that expensive to buy, like a regular lab coat.
Yeah.
I feel like we should.
Your local science store.
We need to figure out how we're gonna get the logo on too. Do you want to just go to? Do you guys have a local embroidery or screen printing?
I know we have a lot of places that do it. Where you said Bojo's.
That's where most sports teams do it.
That's weird.
Yeah, we could try it there. But I don't know how expensive they are.
I could talk to coaches.
Yeah.
Do that.
Okay. You guys gonna think of nicknames?
Sure, we can think of a nickname.
Yeah, why not? Think of some nicknames. It's fun. Either that or Mr. Wagner will just give you one.
Yeah. I feel like that would be easier.
I know it probably would be.
This is what, week 1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so orientation and kindergarten. But just orientation. Is kindergarten next week?
I think, yeah, kindergarten is next week. So we have yeah, well, basically we figured out kind of what we wanted to do anyway, so we have a good outline. Mm-hmm. So we're supposed to go at 11 to what's the teacher's name?
Miss Riggs, right?
Miss Riggs.
Well, you weren't standing there. It was Miss Riggs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss Riggs.
At 11.
Okay. Okay. So we should probably give her our outline. So I might rewrite this nicer. 11.
Maybe a little more detail or something.
We need to ask her. I mean, before we go on, we probably really need to ask her, because the last thing we were going to stop on was, what are they really going to get out of it at this grade level? So, because I think we stopped at, were we going to drop 2 things at the same weight? Because we didn't really want to explain why 2 things at different weight will both.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Well, I mean, we could ask, well, what if something that weighed the same were we could just ask them, and then maybe input our own image in there. Maybe, what if we put this in here next to him? What will happen? And besides preparing for talking to, so you go from till 11:15, is that right? Did you guys think of anything else while you were on? No. No, it's okay. It's okay. I didn't look at this again really either. What did you want to do for your intro?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, oh, I remember what we were thinking about. We could give them, I mean, one thing is we could do like, so if we could already have a preset and they could glue it where they think it's going to be in time. As far
I
as
thought we were doing.
okay. Alright, so you want to do it Tuesday, what's that date? 27, 28, 29, 30th? I think so. At 9:05, you guys would come after your first class.
That's fine.
You see something and you wonder, what do you think it's going to feel like, or what do you think it's going to do, whatever, before it happens? Not a really, really good one, but because
From the diaphragm.
There ain't no reason things are this way. It's how they always been and they intend to stay. I can't explain why we live this way. We do it every day. Preachers on the podium speaking of saints, prophets on the sidewalk begging for change, old ladies laughing from the fire escape, cursing my name. I got a basket full of lemons and they all taste the same. A window and a pigeon with a broken wing.
Hi, how are you? I heard that some of you wanted to learn science.
I do.
Yeah, I heard that.
I
Good,
do
good. How many of you want to be scientists when you grow up? Awesome. Yes, we need more scientists in the world, right? My name is Conductor Jay.
I am the mechanic, Ashley.
I am the train's brake man, Andres.
We make sure we stop. You know that's important, right?
And I'm Engineer Jacob. Hi, everybody.
All right. So now that you know all of our names, I'm going to go ahead and start and say, how many of you know what scientists do? Yeah? Okay. What do you think scientists do? Potion stuff? Cool. What do you think? I'm actually a chemist. I do work with chemicals. What do you think?
I really need a volcano.
You made a volcano?
I
That's
made,
also science. Yeah, go ahead.
I made a storm.
A storm?
Yeah. Well, what about all the... I know what science is. One time I made an experiment.
Working your fingers best to the bone, breaking your back, make you sell your soul. Like a lung, it's filled with hope, suffocating slow.
You made an explosion? Oh, okay. Well, science isn't all about explosions and chemical things. Yeah, go ahead.
I like to learn about the weather because my mom does about the weather in me.
Cool. Okay, yeah, weather is science too. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you exactly what it is that I do every day because I'm a scientist at a university. So, first of all, I always think of what do I think is going to happen. So, if there's a question, then we wonder what's going to happen, right? So, what do you think it would feel like if you were to touch this?
Kind of rough.
Kind of rough. Okay, so how do you know it feels like that? What do you have to do?
Feel it.
You have to feel it, right? So that is actually the experiment part. So scientists they say, okay, I think that this is going to feel soft and this is going to feel rough. So in order to test that, we have to touch it. Or we have to do it, and that's called the experiment part. So I'm going to pass these around and you guys can touch them, okay? What do you think? Soft and rough. All right, so, and it's okay if your guesses are wrong, because in science, I am always wrong. Okay, not always, but I am wrong a lot. It's one of the few times that you can actually be wrong.
Oh, it was right.
You're always right. I wish I was always right. My life would be a lot easier. You're going to circle this one before the feather. If you think that they'll hit at the same time, you'll circle this one. And if you think that the feather will hit first, you circle this one, okay? And you only circle one because that's your one guess. And it's okay, you don't have to be right or wrong. We're going to do the experiment all together here in a minute. So do you want me to tell you again, or you think you got it?
I got it.
In your lap. It's in your lap. You think which one? 1,
2, 3.
I was right. What happened? The barbell hit first.
1,
2, 3.
More roadblocks. No,
2, 3.
Right all the time.
both.
Well, and the first time I think both going to
Okay, so we're just gonna, okay guys, we're gonna do it ourselves and you can tell us what our experiment is. So you guys got to do it. Now you can watch mine, okay? And Mechanic Ashley's and Brakeman Andres. Okay.
And tell us what you see. Watch really close.
Let me see.
Can everyone see it?
Ready?
Can you
You
guys
see?
see?
You can watch right there also.
Okay, ready? 1,
2, 3.
both.
What happened?
Did you guys see both?
Yours landed both. Landed at the same time, huh? Is that cool?
tell me what you learned today.
We learned that they go at the same time.
They go at the same time, and why is that?
Because one is hardest and one isn't.
Exactly, and that doesn't matter that one's hard and one's not.
No, it's not.
Would you tell me what you learned today?
I learned the feathers and the rocks fell at the same time.
They did. Why is that?
Because we're scientists.
If you want. Yeah. What are we doing?
For marble hits first.
Yes, out of 19.
16 out of 19 said that the marble would hit first.
And then 3 out of the 19 said that they would hit at the same time. We had 0 where the feather would hit at the same time.
Okay, then for our post
Or hit it
test,
first.
For our post test, we had 17 kids who said that they hit at the same time, and we had 2 kids who said that the rocks hit first.
So the first time 15.8% of the class guessed correctly, and the second time 89.5% guessed correctly. That's results.